We are officially in Kauai. Last night was our first night. It was a long day because we waited for food and all that. It was just a long day because we were settling in. Look at the backyard. This is our patio from the bedroom. Oh, it's about to rain. It's gonna rain, I think. It rains like every 5 minutes. We're about to eat breakfast. Well, we have to wait an hour because it's gonna be an hour-and-a-half wait. After we eat breakfast, we're gonna go hiking. You're gonna crack it open? Yeah.
Get it! Oh my god, you're too slow. Wow, so good. You got some of it?
Still waiting out here. I took some Instagram pictures. So this is an Instagram hack. If you guys want to take your own pictures, take a video of yourself, like the front-facing camera. So you can either use video or slow-mo mode. I did slow mode this time and it's a lot better. That's insane.
Oh, look over there.
I know. That's crazy. Wow. Guys, it's so pretty here. There's a waterfall. We're on a different planet right now. Good morning, guys. It is day 2 or 1? No, this is technically day 3. So yesterday we went hiking. We went to Waimea Canyon Lookout. It wasn't a hike, so it was actually pretty cool. It wasn't like a hike up there. It was just a scenic overlook, and it's insane. After that, we went to find like a little hike trail, like a couple feet down from it. Getting up there, there's many trails you can go to. And then after that, we went to Poipu Beach and we just hung out there. Yeah, that was our day yesterday. Today, I think we're gonna stay near Princeville area and we're gonna go to Queen's Bath. Right now, we're gonna go show you the house because Airbnb is insane. It's literally so perfect. Like everything here is so nice. So this is our view, backyard view. As soon as we wake up, and it's nice and sunny today. I love these right here. I love the leaves. This is the bed, Nyla's messy bed. And this is my bed. This is the bathroom. It has 2 showers in the living room. And then this is the kitchen. It's a little messy now. Has the, what is this called? Stove. Electric stove. And then there's another room in there and a bathroom. This is the other room. It's just the bathroom. They have like jets in here. You can literally like set it to whatever and turn the jets on. Oh my god, this opens? That's insane. But yeah, look how nice. This area is like so nice over here. It's very relaxing. You can see all the plants and trees. So this is the backyard. They have another patio. Yeah, this was closed last night. Now it's open again, but this is the backyard. So we're currently walking to Queen's Bath because it's nearby. It's only 20 minutes.
That's so far.
Not really.
It's like 1,000 years. It feels really hot. Just like
so there. Pretty. It's so smooth. It's really pretty. Little sus. There's like a little waterfall here. Whoa! Wow. you can't get over there. We're waiting at a shuttle stop, but there's no shuttle. We're just waiting because we're gonna eat at this grill right by the house. Anyway, so yeah, now we're just waiting and enjoying the breeze. Oh my god, it feels amazing. I got our food. I got a chicken panini. She got a chicken quesadilla. That looks pretty good. And then we got some wings, more wings. And then I got a pineapple smoothie, pineapple banana smoothie, and then she got a banana smoothie. Why is yours so gross? Because it's just banana.
Are you gonna Oh, there's a bird.
Okay, so we're back at the house. We went to the grocery store and then now we're eating cheesecake.
Obviously, strawberry swirl.
Yeah.
This
There's
is
New York style. There's strawberry swirl.
this is triple chocolate.
Triple chocolate. Chocolate marble.
That one's this one.
Mississippi mud.
That one's.
And turtle. Maybe this is Mississippi mud and that's turtle. I don't
What is this one?
New York style.
Oh.
Good morning, guys. We're watching the sunrise. Well, we already missed sunrise. See the rain. Nice, the rainbow. It was going all across. It was over here somewhere. Finally made it to the beach. Finally. Wow. This literally looks so magical. Hi, Nyla. How you doing? This beach is so pretty. My hair is not pretty though. It's a hot mess. The tide's been coming up. Just left the Airbnb. I'm really sad. I miss it already. Oh, another rooster. Another rooster.
Oh, nice. Ernest, this one is.
Look at that. Are you kidding me?